welcome back to the channel, you guys. I hope y'all are having a good day. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. It means so much to me. Real quick, right off the bat, before I can go even further, I gotta thank all of you guys for checking out last video. And if you did not check out last video, you are doing yourself an injustice. The feedback was phenomenal in that video. You guys, thank you so much. Like I said before, I love my fan base. I wouldn't trade y'all for anybody in the world or for any other fan bases in the world. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much once again. Like I said, check that video out if you have not already. You guys are extremely pumped, just like I am, for these wheels to get on the truck. The love was real, man, and I really appreciate it. It was awesome, man. I had a fun time filming that video for the most part. But yeah, thank you guys again. And once again, if you like this video, please go ahead right now, smash the thumbs up. It helps the channel out so much. Get the videos out there to new viewers, get new subscribers, new people searching for, people constantly buying diesel trucks, and I'm constantly making videos. So we need to come together, okay? So you guys know yesterday's scenario in terms of the wheels and what the issues were with them. And like I said, if you didn't, go watch the video. So I went on Instagram, like always. If you're not following Instagram, it's everything_diesel. I went on Instagram, posted a post on my story asking what is the best thing to get the residue from the tape off the wheels. I think like 90% of people said goo off. Is it goo off? Goof off, okay? So goof off, goo off, I guess there's two different brands, but I went ahead and went to the store, picked up some goo off and some white diamond polish. Now for polish, oh wow, I'm super bright. Let me get over here. So for polish, damn, you guys can see my little camera reflection or shadow. So for goof off, they were saying spray it on the stuff, let it sit for about a minute or two, get a rag, rub it off, and you should be good. And then you come behind with some like mineral spirits or some wax and grease remover so you can get the residue off of the wheel. So I'm gonna be doing that. I have that today. I know you guys want to update with the conversation I had with Extreme Customs. Long story short, everything's taken care of. I'm going to be keeping the wheels that I have currently because, well, I'll tell you how everything went. So everything went good. Keeping the wheels, getting a partial refund, 200 bucks, nothing crazy. So getting 200 bucks back, and they're sending out a new center cap wheel, a center cap for the one wheel that has a broken cap, and then they're throwing in a bottle of some wheel polish. So I mean, at the end of the day, it's cool. We were talking for a while. They did give me the option to send the wheels back. They can fix them or get new ones made and back to me. Problem is these wheels are not, they're not damaged, they're not like ruined, and like it's fixable, okay? So I told them, I said, listen you guys, I'm not trying to get a refund, I'm not trying to go through a long drawn out process. It's gonna cost you guys money because I'm not paying for shipping to ship these back to y'all. It's gonna cost y'all money to ship them there and then turn around and ship them back to me. Let's cut the middleman out, all the bull. If you guys just give me a refund, cover my expenses to fix the wheels, fix the center cap, and then give me a bottle of wheel polish. I told them that just verbatim. I said, if you can do that for me, I will be 100% fine. I won't leave bad reviews. I won't badmouth you guys. I told them that, you know. Now, obviously, we had a lot more in-depth conversation about their packaging and where they went wrong and, you know, and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, it got fixed. So I can't complain too much, okay? So you guys are super excited to get these wheels on. I am too. It's just that we got to do a few things. First things first, I'm not putting these wheels on until I get a center cap. As much as you guys want to see the wheels on the truck, I refuse to put these wheels on and I'm missing a center cap. One, it's gonna annoy the shit out of me with my OCD, and two, it's not gonna look the way it was meant to look, okay? Number two is on my back, on my passenger rear tire, I have two studs, and I just ordered them tonight at Advanced Auto. I have two studs I have to replace because a long time ago, tire shop stripped them out, never got them fixed. So I've been riding on 5 lugs. Now that these are exposed lugs, like my first set of wheels I had, I ain't gonna be riding around with 5 lugs on forged wheels because that's just, one is janky and two, it looks like shit. So I ordered 2 new studs. I'm gonna swap those out. I'll probably make a video depending on if it's a quick job. I gotta swap out 2 studs and then we can throw the wheels on and go from there, okay? So once again, you guys, thank you so much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got going on today and what we're gonna be trying to fix, okay? All right, you guys, so got the stuff. So this is what we got here. One stopped at Advanced Auto today. I got some goo off. Damn, that shadow's bad. I got goo off and I got some white diamond metal polish. Now, this is not going to be my White diamond is not going to be my everyday go-to polish. Only reason why I bought this is because it's over the counter and it has decent reviews on it in terms of polishing, cleaning up forged wheels and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is, and I already started on this wheel, I got some goo off sitting on the wheel for a few minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for about maybe 3-4 minutes. Then I'm gonna come with my microfiber rag, wipe it off. This is my first spot, testing it, see if it even works. If it's good, then we know what we got to do. Sorry, man, you guys can't even see. If it's good, you know what we got to do, and then hopefully it'll work. Once it's clean, wipe the wheel down with some wax and grease remover, get the goo off of the wheel, the residue off the wheel, and then from there we'll go ahead and hit it with the metal polish, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, you guys, so good news, we got it out. As you can see, it was there. I mean, actually you can't see, it was there, but we got it out. But looking at the wheel, I'm gonna have to do a hand polish, man, because it definitely did put some more scratches into the wheels. I guess I'm like baptizing myself into the forge scene, because you can't put a rag on it without getting scratch marks. So we're definitely going to be polishing these wheels. I don't know if I want to use a machine yet, or if I'm going to try some of that Zephyr's Pro 25 heavy cut. I just remembered, I ordered also on the side, I'm going to be doing a comparison video down the road. I'm going to be doing Zephyr Pro 40 or Zephyr, well, yeah, all of them. So I'm going to do Zephyr Pro 40, Zephyr Pro 25 versus Renegade's Rebel Pro, and then Rebel Pro HD, or Rebel Red, and then Rebel Pro. Two different ones. One's a heavy cut, one's just a fine finish and polish. I'm going to be comparing it because all over YouTube, there's like no solidified, you know, which one's better. It might be both as equally as good. I don't know, but it's going to be a fun video. So we got that done. I'm just gonna keep going through. I'll show you guys. I mean, you guys already saw what that is, so I'm just happy that got done. I'm gonna be pretty much taking that off this wheel and the other wheel. Once I'm done with all the wheels, I'll get back with y'all, and then yeah. All right, you guys, so I went ahead, we got all the wheels taken care of. Well, two of the wheels are taken care of now. I'm sorry if you wanted to see me taking it off on camera. To me, it just was pointless. Ooh, look at that cricket. Is that a mole cricket? Look at that. Look at that mole cricket. A lot of people, if you didn't understand or know, I didn't buy these wheels directly from Fuel Forge. I got these through Extreme Custom, who ordered them for me from Fuel. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get y'all set up, and we're gonna polish these wheels by hand and see what we can get to. And if you're curious how to apply it, you just take some of this, get you a microfiber applicator pad like that, put a little bit on there, and you're gonna rub it on the wheel. Rub it on the wheel until it starts to turn black. The instructions say once it starts to turn black, let it sit for a minute. I'm assuming you're letting it haze up, so when it's time to wipe off, it's easier and not smearing. And then it should have a nice shine. So we're gonna do a little test spot down there in the tray, and then we'll compare it to the rest of the wheel, and then before and after I'm done doing the wheel, okay? There we go. So it helped out. It helped out. Definitely, I don't know if it was because I used a terry cloth or what, but it definitely left behind, and you guys can see it. It definitely left behind, yeah, get the focus. Definitely left behind little swirly marks or scratch marks. I don't know if it looks like it helped. I don't know if I've been staring at these too long or too hard, but yeah, it definitely helped. Well, you know what, thinking about it now, maybe those might have been there from, those scratch marks might have been there from when I removed the adhesive with a microfiber. So Cool. It looks good. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. All right then. So now we're gonna go ahead. I'm going to coat the rest of this wheel, do the rest of it, and then we'll see how the results look. Once again, I know on camera it looks good right now, but in person you see stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, you guys. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and finished. All I did was the barrel. I didn't bother with the face plate. I still gotta do that, but for tonight, I'm just gonna stop here. First time hand polishing forged wheels. That polish, I mean, it's good. I'm pretty sure, I know for a fact it's not the best, but I mean, it is what it is, man. It took some of, so those little splatter marks, see if I can, those little splatter marks I showed y'all earlier, whatever it is, it took some of them out, so that tells me that whatever those are can be removed with polishing. I need to see it in the daylight outside because I'm using artificial light right now. So I mean, it's not gonna look like this in daylight. It might look worse, it might look better, but I'll really know how it looks in the morning once it's, what you call it, daylight's out. I'll wheel them outside, give it a spot down. I mean, this stuff ain't bad. I don't think it's horrible, but one thing that I wasn't expecting, I wasn't ready for, is when you use this stuff, it puts super micro scratches into it. So whatever direction you're polishing, it's gonna put little swirl scratch marks in it. One of the things I learned from the videos dudes polishing, they say go in the direction of the wheel. So don't do circular motions like you're putting wax on a car. I mean, you shouldn't even do that when you're putting wax on a car. But they say go in straight lines, follow the wheel. I did that, and even still, it did put like micro. It might be hard to see. You might be able to see some of it, but it put micro scratches in it. You guys with forged wheels or experienced polishing, is that just a byproduct from using this stuff because of the micro abrasive material in it, or did I do something wrong? Because I used the microfiber applicator pad. Shit, I used my yellow microfiber towel at first to wipe it off, and then actually I used a terry cloth first to wipe it off, then I used the microfiber, the yellow one, it's a cheap one, and then I used my fluffy ass green one to make sure it wasn't the rag causing the scratches. So I'm pretty sure that's just a byproduct. It looks good. It definitely looks good. Also, another thing too is that because these wheels are brand new, they don't have a whole lot of oxidation on them and stuff, so maybe I'm just being too anal or too hard on myself, because the inner detailer inside of me is coming out trying to perfect the wheels, and me knowing that it has micro scratches in it, I'm not gonna lie, it might drive me a little crazy. So I'm pretty positive I'm gonna end up high speed polishing these wheels with a buffer, just cause. But they look good, man. First glance when you stare at them, man, that looks fucking money. Oh man. All right, well, you guys, it's getting late. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Let's see if I can, oh, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video out. Restoring the wheels partially was a success in my books. We got the adhesive off. Thank you guys on Instagram for the input with the goo off, or the goo, what is it, goo gone or goo off? There's two brands, I don't remember. But anyways, goof off, okay? So those of you that recommended goof off to me, thank you so much. I'll be honest with you, when I was looking in the store, I was just looking for the orange bottle that said goo something. It worked, the wheels are fine, no damage to them. Hit it with a polish to see if they'll clean it up a little bit, which it did. It got some of those splatter stains off of it, which I'm kind of happy about. Definitely ordering a polishing kit. So like I said, definitely ordering a polishing kit with the bars and everything, the compound, it's like triple E cut polish finish. Definitely ordering that. We're gonna be getting these things dialed in, especially if I'm gonna be entering this truck in the Motor Music City Showdown. Definitely need this truck looking good. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you for checking out the video. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I know the wheels aren't on the truck yet, but trust me, they're gonna be on by the end of the week. You can guarantee it. So just be on the lookout, be subscribed, and hopefully next video you guys see, it'll be me mounting these bad boys onto the truck. So Take it easy, be safe, peace.